Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters and welcome to my craft room. Today I'm excited to share with you the newest Papercraft Society box. This box is by Sasha Reed and it's Christmassy and it's pink. Sasha's little sentiment here is warm those cold days with some glitter and sparkle. I love it. Okay, so inside the Papercraft Society box number 36, we get a wallet and we also get some tissue paper with some goodies. I'm going to focus on the wallet first, so I'll move this out of the way and we'll have a look at what comes inside the wallet. So don't forget, if you do make anything and you share it on social media, to use the hashtag Papercraft Society on your makes, and that way Craft Stash and Craft World will be able to see what you make. So we have some dies, we have some stamps, we have some pattern paper. It's all very exciting. So I'm going to start with the dies and I'm going to use the back of the pattern paper to show you. So these are large dies, you can see there. Well, actually, if we get a ruler, it'll give us a better idea of the size. So this one is, gosh, it's nearly 3 inches long. The same with this one, nearly 3 inches long. And I think these are all layering dies as well. I think these would be fabulous in a spinner card. You could make up your snowflake and have it whizzing around as you open your card. There's a word here and I think it's snow. We've got some smaller snowflakes. We have this, which is a sentiment panel with a snowflake inset. Now this snowflake comes out, so you could just have it as a sentiment panel, or you can have it with the snowflake. So really good dies there, really nice big ones. And then we have the stamps, and I'm just wondering if these, look at that, that looks like it cuts it. Love that. Brilliant. Yeah, very pleased with that. Okay, so we'll again use the paper. So we have some more snowflakes here. Lots of snowflakes. We have Dreaming of a White. We have Merry Christmas, New Year, Let It Snow, Is Falling, From and To. So that'd be great if you use these for tags on your Christmas presents. You can have To and From at the back, and then Happy. So yeah, fantastic. I love this. I love the color palette that Sasha has chosen as well. It's not your traditional style Christmas. Although traditional is always lovely, it's nice to go a little different sometimes. So here we have some pattern paper. I love this. Look at the colors in that, really fab. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pattern paper, and they're single-sided. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a nice heavyweight vellum as well. So really, really cool. So in all we have 8 pieces there in that. So that's everything that came in the wallet. Let's have a look now and see what came inside the tissue paper. So inside the tissue paper we have some more goodies. We have some embossing powder, and I'd say this is a silver. It looks grey in the pot, so I'd say it embosses silver. So it's about, I'd say it's about 1/3 of a pot is what we get in there. So unfortunately it's not a full pot, but yeah, lovely. We've got a couple of envelopes here. I'll have a look at those in a minute. We have some lovely glitter cardstock. It's non-shed, which is always really, really good. It's 2 sheets, and these measure, let's see, 5 3/4 by 8 1/4. So 2 nice sheets of glitter cardstock. We get some coordinating cardstock as well. And don't forget to keep your little band. You can die cut out of this as well. I never throw them away. I frequently use them for die cutting. So we've got some lovely cardstock. It's a white core cardstock. We've got purple, lavender, pink, and a kind of, it's like a skin tone color. Yeah, so a very pale pink. So we have 6 pieces here, including the 2 non-shed glitter cardstock. Now let's have a look and see what comes in the little envelope. Oh, so we get some string. So you can use this for doing, like, you could have your snowflakes look like Christmas baubles, or for doing a spinner card. I don't know how well that would work for a spinner card, but I will have a try and see how it works. Some lovely silver glittery string. And then this sounds like sequins. So it's well sealed. I'm going to open that there. Yes, it is sequins, and it's little snowflakes. Aren't they just great? Look at those. They'll make a great shaker card. Really lovely. So we get a nice full envelope of those. That's all the products that we get now in the kit this month. And as I said, this is designed by the lovely Sasha Reed. The only other thing we get in the kit is our Papercraft Society booklet. There's Sasha, looking fabulous. And inside we get loads of inspiration. There we go. Look, there's a spinner card. I knew there would be. There would have to be. You'd have to make a spinner card. So there's different ideas on different pages. Then this is what's in the box. And some die cutting delights with Sasha. How to make a snowflake spinner card. And then some lovely cards by Sasha and Glynis. I love the cards Glynis makes. She makes the kind of cards I like. These are lovely. I love that. I like the way she's used the string and the little snowflake on the bow. Really lovely. And then there's a little chat or catch up with Sasha. And then it goes on, and there's lots more inspiration, but I'm not going to go through that because I'm sure there, you know, you'd like to have a look at that yourself if you are a subscriber to the kit. So they are all the products that we got in this box, and like I said, this is box number 36. It's designed by the lovely Sasha Reed. I can't wait to start crafting with it. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. If you did, keep an eye out because I will be making cards using the products that came in this box, and I'll be sharing them on my channel. So that's it. I'm going to leave it there for now. Until next time, folks, take care, stay safe, and bye for now. Bye.